Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom your Chrome page. To quickly adjust the zoom, hold down the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac, then press the plus key to zoom in or the minus key to zoom out. You'll see the current zoom percentage appear briefly in your address bar. To return to the default 100% zoom, simply press Control or Command and 0. Another way to control your page zoom is through the Chrome menu. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Look for the Zoom section. Here, you can click the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the page size. This allows for precise adjustments to your viewing experience. Chrome is smart and remembers your zoom preferences for individual websites. If you set a specific zoom level for a site, it will apply that setting every time you visit. To manage these, go to Chrome Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally Site Settings. Under Content, you'll find zoom levels where you can review and remove custom settings for any site. For an even more immersive experience, you can enter full screen mode. Just press the F11 key on Windows or Control, Command, and F on Mac. This removes all browser interface elements, giving you the entire screen for the web page. To exit full screen mode, simply press the Escape key. You can also reset all zoom settings to their default 100% in Chrome settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.